In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Picsart mobile app on Android smartphone if it is misbehaving or you can't open it. So if you're finding challenges with your app, then let me show you how you can clear all the errors on your app and then get it back to normal. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, the first thing to troubleshoot your app is to go to app information page. Now, you can easily do this if you go to settings and then tap on it to open. From here, look for the option called apps and tap on it, and then look for manage apps. And then this will open all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now scroll down until you see the Picsart app. And here's our app. Tap on it to open. And as you can see now, we have landed on app info page. And here's where we are going to clear all the errors. Alternatively, you can get to this page by simply going to the app and then long press on it. And you will see an option called app info. If you tap on it, it will still take you to the same page. Now from here, we want to clear the app data and more especially the cache data. So if you go to storage here, you can see we have cached data, and the accumulation of this cache data usually causes the app to malfunction. So the best way to do is to clear this cache data, and you can simply do this by using the clear data option here. If you tap on it, you can see we have the option called clear cache. Tap on it and then OK, and you can see our cache data has been cleared. Now our app is free. From here, go ahead, restart your smartphone and then try opening the Picsart app. It should now start working fine. However, if this procedure didn't help you, then you might want to go ahead and open the app in Play Store and look for any update if it is available. If this process did not help you, then you might want to go ahead and open the app in Google Play Store and look for any update if it is available. To do that, go to Play Store and then tap on it and look for your app using the search option here. And here is our app. Tap on it and then it will open. So here, look for any update if it is available. It will be written here. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using the outdated version of your app. So go ahead and update it to the latest version and then go try opening up. And at this point, it should now start working fine. But should this not solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall this app totally and then install it afresh, and you will have no issue with the app. Should all this not solve your problem, then try finding out from Picsart if they have any problem from their end. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.